Hello everyone, my name is Ming. Recently I made a trip to China and the following vlog was entirely shot on iPhone. Not iPhone X, iPhone 10, not iPhone 8, but iPhone 6s. Why? Because I brought Canon G9X with me, but I forgot to bring the battery charger with me. Damn! So I quickly ran out of battery for my Canon G9X, so I have to use iPhone 6s to capture the following footage. Alright, so the tip from this video, always remember to bring the battery charger with you when you travel. So now, let's check out the video. Hello everyone, my name is Ming. Today I am in China. This city is called Hangzhou and the lake behind me is called West Lake. This is what this city is famous for. Today, this morning, it finally stops raining. It has been raining for a couple of days and I came out to shoot this morning, and this location, it's my second time being here at this location. The first time here it was raining very hard and I had a hard time setting up my camera, neutral density filters, removing water drops from my lens. So hopefully this morning the shooting process is easier because it's not raining today. I have my Nisi 6-stop neutral density filter in front of my lens, so I can get a long exposure to smooth the water and make the subject stands out. So that's the plan, and that's what I'm shooting right now. I think the composition is very obvious here, and that is symmetrical. So I am shooting a symmetrical composition here, as you can see, and the water is smooth and the sky doesn't have any clouds, so it's also smooth. So yeah, so that's the composition. I'm using this as my leading line towards the subject. I'm also really grateful that the sky is becoming a little bit blue now. In recent couple of days, I think the sky is pretty gray, it's just dull. It doesn't have any color, and today it finally gets some color in it. That's awesome. I guess I just spoke too soon, because all of a sudden it starts raining again. Oh my god, and it's so different from the weather in Colorado because there's no clouds above me. That's weird, no clouds above and it's raining. I have no idea when the rain would stop. I don't know, but I did get some shots before it started raining, and I don't know. I'm gonna just wait here a little bit and see if the clouds will clear, if the sky will clear, if rains will stop. Let's see. Alright, now looks like the rain has stopped and I'm going out to shoot again. And this time I think I'm gonna try something different because before the rain I was trying to shoot in portrait mode, and now I'm gonna walk around and try to find some other photo opportunities and see if I can get a landscape photo. Yeah, let's see. Alright everyone, I'm done shooting here and I am walking around the West Lake. So yeah, so everyone, I hope you Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching this vlog. And I hope to see you next time. See you.